On WION's Health Pulse Summit, Union Minister Jigendra Singh also spoke about India's health tourism and how India has been attracting many people globally to come to India for medical education and to avail the healthcare benefits in India. Take a look.
But sir, you mentioned medical tourism, and that is for sure. India has witnessed, a lot of people coming from abroad here for treatment. But domestically, I want to understand from you, how far have we been able to bridge that gap between rural and urban India? The kind of shortages of doctors, the kind of crises and situations that we've seen our people staying in the rural areas face, have we been able to bridge that and get it to at least, if not equal, but closer to the urban level?
No, I agree with you. That is, of course, an issue which has been confronting the country for quite some time. But I think headway is being made in that, and there's a continuous effort in that direction. For example, this Ayushman Bharat. Now, this is a unique health insurance company. I think the first of its kind in the world. And those of us who have been practitioners like me would bear me out that most of the health insurance schemes earlier did not insure you for a pre-existing disease. Suppose you had a heart disease or an underlying coronary heart disease, your insurance will cover all the other organs, not heart. And even, God forbid, if you had a heart attack and you claimed a premium, they would try to prove by hook or crook that you had camouflaged it. I mean, they were so conservative. Now, here is a disease. If someone is detected having a cancer, the next day after detection, he can go and he or she can get himself insured under Ayushman Bharat and claim all that amount. So that is one aspect. So it's being addressed at multiple levels. Secondly, of course, they increase the number of the medical colleges, the medical schools, the government sector to make the education more accessible, and also this recent announcement also in the budget of having cancer care facility in each of the districts. Last year we had 12 lakh new reported cases of cancer in this country, and the way it is going up, it might go up to over 20 lakhs in the next 3-4 years. So 11 of the full-fledged hospitals and say about maybe around 200 or so of the hospitals where they are providing some kind of a cancer care facility. So we are in an expansionist mode, plus also the private sector being taken on board.